Unboxing time! Christmas was a little bit ago, and this was a package that was sent from my mom and my sister, so thank you guys. It was delayed because of COVID, obviously, and it's no longer Christmas, but it's gonna be Christmas for me in January. So today we're gonna unbox this, and then I have another box right here that is my first sponsored package. So really excited to see what's in here. I do know what is in this one, but I don't know what it's gonna look like. To give you an idea, it's gonna go somewhere on this back wall, which is probably one of my favorite walls besides this one. So this is my inspiration wall, I guess. That's my first t-shirt that I ever had made. I have a few hats that were made, like this one and that one up there, which I changed. So it's kind of like my inspiration wall. That's my steering wheel that I got signed at Adam LZ's open house in 2018. Car stuff, because I like cars, you know, the usual. So this is my favorite wall, but this one is pretty much my backdrop wall, and that is a neon sign that's gonna go somewhere there. That means all this is probably gonna go away and change, and it's just gonna be one focal point of that. Which sucks, because I'm a huge fan of Naruto. I'm okay with Dragon Ball Z, it's still good, but Naruto's my favorite anime, so I have to figure out where I'm gonna put that and my skating stuff. So that's the one thing that sucks about getting this really cool neon sign, but I'm really hyped on it. I hope it's gonna be really good when it's centered here. I don't know, I'm excited. Let's open it up. Enough talking, enough rambling. Let's open up my packages for today. I'm actually really excited to get this because I've been waiting so long for it. And I've almost bought this for myself multiple different times, but never committed to doing it, so I'm really glad I got it for Christmas. Oh my god! This is gonna be so cool. We have a keegancotm neon sign, and it's blue, which is my favorite color. I don't really remember where we got this from, but I'll leave a link in the description or kind of tag right here or something, but I am so excited. Now it's time to see what it looks like and then figure out a way to put it on my wall, or where I'm gonna put it on the wall. Whoa, oh my god, that's bright. That's so cool. It looks so good on camera too. Oh my god. Yeah, that's gonna look great. It's gonna be centered like right there, which you can't even really see. Oh my god. I'm so hyped for this. Let's see, I have a little remote, which probably needs batteries. It does, darn it. I don't have batteries. Well, I'm gonna have to figure out where to put it, so I'm just gonna put you on a time lapse while I pull everything off and then try to install that on the wall. And then we'll turn it back on and see how it looks. Oh, also I don't have a drill, so I have to use a screwdriver and a hammer to create my hole. Don't judge me, it's what I've got. I've done it before, and it works. So basically what I did right now, this is only temporary, I used thumbtacks to mark where I want it so I could at least hang it and see if it's perfect and centered. And I think that's good. Okay, well it was a little ghetto, but it's installed, we're good to go. Now let's plug it in again. Oh my god, okay. I think it looks pretty good. I hope it works with the backdrop whenever I'm filming. I really don't know, it's a little blurry obviously, but it looks so good. And I think what I'm gonna do to try to hide that wire that's right here, I think I'm still gonna use some of the posters and try to cover up any of the wiring there. And what I might do as well is get a black like sheet and put behind all of that. That way it pops even more or looks better, because I really don't want to paint the entire wall black, but I think it looks cool. I almost like it just like that with nothing else on the wall. It just looks so good. This is cool. I don't even have to turn the light on anymore. You can still see my face. I'm blue, but it's cool. Let me know in the comments below if I should put my posters back on the wall. I don't know exactly where they're gonna go, but I would like to hide the wiring, so I'll have to figure out how to do that. Or I might just do a black sheet over everything and then tuck the wire behind it. I don't know. Now it's time to open up the sponsored part of this video. I don't know what is exactly in here, but I do know it's a... Sorry. My dog is upset. Okay, I think he's good now. Hi, Copper. All right, now let's try it. Hopefully he doesn't bark. Okay. He barked. Probably shouldn't throw knives, but whatever. Well, looks like we got a complete skateboard. So that's kind of cool. Based off of what I'm looking at right now, it's similar to what a Walmart board would be. It has Allen wrench little screws or Allen key screws. Let's see what the wheels are like. All right, the wheels feel kind of soft. I wish I could show you that it feels soft, but I can't. And the bearings are AVEC 7 actually, so that's kind of impressive. So what the plans are for this board is I'm going to skate it in another video, and I'm going to test it and see if this brand is any good. I believe this is Gonex. Yes, and you can get their boards off of Amazon. Gonex skateboards. I don't know if you can read the rest. I don't know if it's going to focus, but Gonex skateboards. This is an 8-inch board, and I think the design itself is kind of cool. I'm not expecting anything crazy from this board. It's not a pro deck. It's not a actual like name brand style deck, but we'll give it a shot. It's got good bearings from what it looks like. I know the AVEC rating doesn't really mean anything, but technically, it's better than AVEC 3. Again, AVEC rating doesn't matter, but still. Anyway, thank you so much, Gonex, for sending me out this board. I really, really appreciate it. And I'm actually going to be giving this one away. So like I said, I will be skating it, but I'm going to give it away as soon as I am done testing it out, as long as I don't break it. I'm not gonna put it through anything crazy. I'm just gonna do a few simple, basic tricks on it. Let me know down in the comments below what tricks you guys wanna see, and I will attempt to do them on this board. I would say I'd go skate now, but I can't. It's really, really dark outside. If you want, I'll do a kickflip in my living room. That's what we're gonna do. Trucks are very loose, so I'll have to adjust them in the next video. But there's a kickflip, there's an ollie, shove it. Now time for my board, but we'll see. That was kind of cool. I guess if I'd have to compare the two, this one, the grip is really, really good. It's grizzly, so it should be good. This one's not bad. It's actually okay, especially for a beginner. I'm not a huge fan of the shape of this one. It feels a little flat. This one also feels a little flat, but that's also because it's a mini logo, and I'm not a huge fan of mini logos. It is my custom design board that I did, but it was on a blank mini logo. I will be making a press here pretty soon, so I can actually fix all the issues and press them at home in the future. So that's kind of what I'm working towards now. That way I don't have to use mini logo blanks. So we'll just see how that goes. But that's my only complaint on this one. It doesn't feel like a normal skateboard would, like that one does. But this one overall, it's not bad. Again, we'll actually skate it. It feels okay for right now. We'll run it through its course, make sure it actually skates decently. And after that, we'll do a giveaway on it too. And that's going to be along with the local skate shop giveaway that we're doing here in the future. And then I guess to give you an update on a few other things, we've got these two boards here. This one was in a video on basically how to make your own board at home. This one is one of the Galaxy boards. This one is still up for sale. It's on my website, keegancotm. This one, I finally have all the materials to finish off the board and finish designing it. So there will be a video coming here pretty soon for this one. I'm really excited to see how it turns out. I have never done it before. We'll just have to see how it goes. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's not the usual content that we do and it's more of an unboxing. I did skate a little bit. Regardless, it was really cool for me, really fun experience, especially since this is my first sponsored product. I hope at some point we can get some other sponsors on the channel because that'd be really, really cool. But definitely check out GoNext, especially if you're a beginner. They have a lot of stuff on Amazon.com that you can get. I'll try to leave a link in the description, that way y'all can get some stuff too. But thank you everyone over at GoNext. I really appreciate your support. It really means a lot. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you want to enter the giveaway for this month, which is going to be this GoNext board plus a local shop skateboard deck, make sure that you are liking the video, you're commenting, and you're subscribing to the channel. That's all you have to do. And if you want to get some merch that I have, t-shirts, hats, hoodies, any accessories, skateboards, I do have them for sale on shop.keegancotm, so make sure you check it out. Anyway, that's it. Y'all stay awesome, guys. Later. Oh, that was easy. Wow.